You eat, and a few minutes later, you feel bloated. Your stomach feels heavy, tight, uncomfortable. This is not random, and it's not always the food. It's how your body processes it. When you eat too fast, you eat more than you need. Your body doesn't need just quantity. It needs quality and nutrients. When you rush, your digestion can't keep up. Food stays longer in your stomach. And your body starts to struggle. Sometimes, it's the combination of foods. Sometimes, it's stress. The result: bloating, pressure, discomfort. The solution is simple. Eat slower. Chew your food. Give your body time between meals. Eat foods that support your body, not overload it. Simple foods, easy to digest. If you want examples, you can find them in my series, 10 Simple Foods. These simple habits can support digestion and help keep your energy more stable, helping you feel lighter, more comfortable after every meal. If you want a simple approach to health, you can stay with me.